The United States government has issued a planet-setting warning for the entire planet of Earth. At 3:49 p.m. Central Standard Time, many reports of Saturn being seen in the daylight sky with red glowing eyes have been reported all across the United States. We don't know why this is happening, but NASA's looking into this to find out what is going on. And we've also been seeing double amounts of radiation. We think that because we insulted Saturn and its rings, we might have made it mad. So everyone stay indoors and get at least 14 days of water, non-perishable food, clothing, and other things. This is a particularly dangerous situation. This message is transmitted at the request of the White House. Earlier today, at 4:14 a.m. Central Standard Time, Saturn has been seen in the sky much bigger than 2 days ago, and radiation levels have gotten so high that the White House has issued a shelter-in-place warning for the entire United States. And reports have stated that Saturn's eyes have appeared to look angry. So NASA is still trying to find out what is happening with Saturn. Stay tuned for further updates. And here is a photo that someone took of Saturn. This photo was taken by a local farmer about 2 hours ago. As you can see, Saturn is in the photo. This is absolutely terrifying. I think we might actually be in trouble. Anyway, we're going off the air now, so stay tuned for further updates. We interrupt our programming. This is a global emergency. This message has been transmitted at the request of the White House. According to NASA, has shared with us some disturbing news. So it turns out Saturn got mad at us and is now heading toward us and is going to crash into the planet within the next 48 hours. But there's still some hope. NASA's coming up with a plan to destroy Saturn with a laser before it can reach us. We do not know if this plan will work. So we advise everyone in the United States to get to an underground shelter, and those with no underground shelter need to relocate to one. Stay tuned for further updates. This message is at the request of the White House. At 2 a.m. Central Daylight Time, we got some disturbing news from NASA. NASA's attempt to destroy Saturn has failed. Saturn will impact the Earth within the next 3 hours. Gather all your friends, family, and anything that keeps you comfortable and brace for the end. This is the EAS broadcast. This is the emergency alert system. Signing off for the final time. Goodbye.